So welcome. In this activity, we're going to use the discussion boards to introduce yourself and get familiar with your classmates. As part of the introduction, you will begin by selecting discussions on the navigation bar. We'll open a new message, enter your name in the subject line, answer a few questions, and respond at least to 2 people. When introducing yourself, tell us something interesting about yourself. How comfortable are you using technology? Where have you lived? Where do you currently reside? Your degree or major? Research interest, and your goals after graduation. Also be sure to list just a few fun facts. If you're uncomfortable completing anything, please do not feel obligated to answer all the questions. So answer any particular question that you're most comfortable. But to begin, what I'm going to suggest is that you highlight these questions using ControlC, which is copy, then select discussion. Within the discussion board, you'll select introductions. Now in introductions you will find the same instructions that were in the content page. Begin by selecting Compose. I'm going to enter my name. I'm Brad Henry. And as you can see, I have copied that in here. I can also stretch my window to give me more room to answer my questions. Something interesting about yourself. I love to play music. Now let's just assume that I've answered all of those questions. One thing that you'll always need to make sure that you do is save your work. So I'm going to have to decrease the size of my window a little bit. And at the bottom here is something called Post. Now when I select Post, this will save my answer to the discussion board. And now we can see down below I have made my submission. Now I can go back by selecting this and I can edit my contents. But I'm happy with what I've entered. Now I'm going to select Deb and I'm going to respond to Deb. And we can see here are Deb's answers. So I'm going to reply to Deb. So I select reply. So she got married and started a family 8 times for the first time in 13 years. Wow. Deb, you have a great family. I, on the other hand, have 4 cats. And don't forget to select Post again. So now if I look down, I can now see that I have my submission and I have responded to at least 1 comment.